Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to calculate shipping on Kakobuy. In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate shipping on Kakobuy. And honestly, this is one of those steps people rush through and then get surprised when the final cost looks like it includes a small donation to the logistic gods. So let's do it properly. I'm already logged into my account and I head straight to the Estimate tab, which is basically your preview tool before committing to anything. From here, I pick my destination, let's say the US, and this part matters more than people think. I carefully enter the weight instead of guessing, because even a few grams can shift the price, so I'll type in something like 69 grams just to test it out. Then I choose an item type. I'll go with ordinary goods for now, and input the exact dimensions in centimeters. No shortcuts here unless you enjoy surprise fees. Once everything looks right, I hit search, and now I can see different carriers like EMS, UPS, and USPS, each with their own price and delivery time. So I usually compare a bit depending on how impatient I'm feeling that day, and if I want more details, I just click in and check the breakdown before deciding. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.